We all have problems. Our lives are often bombarded with the constant influx of problems, issues, and troubles that plague us, pull us down, and make our lives harder. Yet, despite the fact that we all have problems, how often do we really look for solid, concrete ways to solve them? If you've lived a life of frustration and confusion when it comes to problem solving, have no fear. With the art of problem solving, we're going to help you figure out how to take a critical look at your problems. We'll help you analyze them with a rational, measured approach and then solve them in a timely and effective manner. Problem solving isn't about overthinking, worrying, or having anxiety about what bothers you. The act of solving a problem is nothing more than being able to evaluate the size of the problem. To think of what would make for a good response to the problem and then ultimately take the steps required to solve the problem. With this book, we're going to take you on a thorough guide through each of the steps required to be able to solve a problem with ease and efficiency. Problem solving is far more than just a simple act. It is a mindset that will allow for you to conquer any problem in your path, whether it's big, small, or something in between. Our goal is to help you learn the 3 simple methods of analyzing any problem and to learn the psychology of a problem solver. Believe it or not, problem solving is more about how you look at the world as opposed to how you handle problems. Over the course of this book, we're going to show you how to change your viewpoint on dealing with being overwhelmed, uncomfortable, and nervous about the future. Rather than focus on just a few simple steps to solve your problems, we want you to learn that the mindset of being a problem solver is for life. Does that interest you? We hope so. Come along with us and take a journey through the process of learning to become a problem solver. Chapter 1. Overwhelming Problems. Problems come in many different shapes and sizes. When we encounter various problems in our lives, we often respond to them based on our capability to handle them. For example, when you're busy getting your laundry done and you realize you're out of laundry detergent, you've encountered a very simple problem. You know all of the elements involved. You need detergent. You don't have any. You also know the solution to the problem as well, which in this case would be going to the store to buy some more. Yes, some problems are much more complex. Imagine that as you're driving to the store, you hear a strange humming coming from your car and smoke begins to billow out of it. You end up experiencing an entirely different new type of problem. You know what the problem is, the car is smoking, but you actually don't know exactly how to solve this problem. When we hit problem areas that we are unable to immediately solve, we can find that we become extremely anxious or frustrated with the issue. Worse, if we aren't even able to readily understand how to solve the problem, we might find ourselves becoming overwhelmed with the situation.
Bono, Audio ebook site.